Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would give you guys an update on baby Celestia. She is doing really well, and I can't be happier. Today she officially turned 4 months old. So yeah, she's doing just wonderfully. Say hi. Say hi. And another thing, I wanted to personally thank each and every one of you guys that follow me on YouTube. It really means a lot to me, and of course my scaly babies too. So you know, and I hope someday in the near future I can at least reach 1,000 subscribers, hopefully. But I guess that depends how often I upload a video. So yeah, and I am hoping to maybe sometime next year. I'm not really sure, it just depends how things go, but I hope for my next snake to be either, I'm choosing between two, so I'm not really sure, but you guys can leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But I'm choosing either a leopard boa morph or a display animal, which is either a green tree python or an emerald tree boa, because I just find those to be really stunning. And I don't know, I just think to put something like that, and you know, in my bedroom, you know, for guests to walk in and say, oh my god, you know, how beautiful. And also where they don't get big at all, you can keep them in small cages. Well, not really too small, but you get what I'm saying. They stay at a relatively small size. So yeah. But I wanted to give you guys a little update on her. She's only shed for me once, so I guess the next time I feed her, she'll probably end up going into her second shed. But I'm looking so forward to raising her, and just watching her grow is amazing. I just love her so much. So yeah, I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. And please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.